Okay, Bjorn. Okay, Bjorn, we're about to get to do something that you've always wanted to do. And that is...
I'm worried because I'm the person in charge of packing is about 4 feet tall.
Beijing Subway sardines. No, I don't know if we'll get in this one. Well, he goes. I'll see you at the next station, Bjorn. 4 stations. Oh.
必上去。
乘坐北京地铁，现在是乘车高峰时间，请您配合我们共同维护乘降秩序。请您站在黄色安全线以内的上车指示线图旁，有序排队。当关门铃响后，严禁抢。
There he goes. Hopefully I'll be on the next one.